Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I am coming up with another useful app from our own Odoo Community Association, and this app is website WhatsApp connector. So now we will be using this particular app so that we can seamlessly connect WhatsApp button on our website or e-commerce where the visitor or the user who is viewing our website can connect to our sales team via this connected app. So after installing this app, we can get a configuration where we need to just add our WhatsApp number and a message, predefined message, which we will be receiving or the WhatsApp number will be receiving from the end user. And we can also enable on which URL the visitor is. So with this simple configuration, now we are good to go to our website. So as soon as I start viewing our website over here, then we will get this particular small WhatsApp button where I can start the communication with the designated sales team. And as soon as I start, it will ask continue to chat and enable our WhatsApp for web version. And then we can start chatting with the designated person on there. So now this particular message, which is predefined, will be sent to the salesperson, and the salesperson from our end is Radhika, and the Radhika will be responding to all the queries she is receiving on WhatsApp. So this is a journey which we have defined and see on the website. Now let's see the same version on our mobile. So I have enabled our mobile with the screen sharing. So let me just enable that screencast. So 192.168, then 29. So this is where I can open my website on my mobile and sharing it over here. So this is where now we can see. So now it is broadcasted, and then as soon as I open our website, then the same way we can see the small WhatsApp button over here. So I can simply press and directly connect to the website same way, and I can send the message again, and our salesperson Radhika will respond to the customer message from the sent URL. So this is very simple to use and a small app which is available for free, which you can download and install and start communicating on the WhatsApp to all the visitors very quickly and conveniently. You can find the download app link on my YouTube video description. Hope this will help many people to start using this small app quickly to connect all the visitor and customer on WhatsApp chatting. Thank you guys. Have a good day.